Bro, how to prove root 2 is irrational? 4 marks question.
Subscribe to SKN Educate.
Let root 2 equals p by q. I don't remember the steps. Where do I use contradiction? Write 2 pages and still get 0 marks. I don't understand the logic.
Let's assume root 2 is rational. So root 2 equals p by q. Square both sides, we get p squared equals 2q squared. This means both p and q are divisible by 2. Contradiction! Therefore, root 2 is
Step 2. Square both sides. 2q square. P square is divisible by 2. Step 3. Let p equals to 2k equals 2k square. Q is divisible by 2. Step 4. Contradiction. If both p and q are divisible by 2, how can they be co-prime? Our assumption was wrong. Therefore, the square root of 2 is irrational. Did you understand the proof? Comment proof done below. Tomorrow, I'll bring proof of root 3 and root 5. Subscribe to SKN Educate. Plus 4 marks in Chapter 1 guaranteed.
Know today, lead tomorrow. Subscribe to SKN Educate.